Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to open up an Ultra Ball from this new set of Pokeballs that I got from another website. These seem to have different packs in them. The last one had Brilliant Stars, Fusion Strike, and Evolving Skies. The first one had Evolving Skies, Lost Origin, and Sword and Shield base set. Let's see what we get in this one. Oh, looks like we have another Evolving Skies, Lost Origin, and a Sword and Shield, right, base set one. And we have an Eevee coin in this one. Again, not sure what other coins you can get in these ones, but you know what? I'll take it. Let's open up base set first. Card code for you. Starting off with Fire Energy, Raboot, Rare Candy, a Lumberry, another Raboot, two Raboots in the same box. Look at what in the world's going on here. We have back-to-back Rare Candy and Lumberry and Raboots. That's an interesting pack. Corvisquire, Galvantula, a reverse rare Nickit, and we have a Cinderace holo rare. Let's move on to Evolving Skies. See if we can find that Moonbryon. That would be really awesome to pull that out of these tins. We have a card code. Dark Energy to start this pack off. Lombre, Fetchinder, Lantern, Bagon, Woobat, Tympole, Psyduck, Eevee, reverse rare Rubber Gloves, and we have another Stoutland regular rare. Alright, on to our last pack, Lost Origin. Let's see if we can find the Giratina artwork. That one would be awesome to pull too. That would be one that I would love to add to my collection. There's the card code for you. Electric Energy, Haunter, Poliwhirl, Licky, Pikachu, Jinx, Litwick, Oddish, Clefairy. We have a reverse rare Electros, and we have a Kyurem V. That's a nice one. Haven't pulled that one yet on the channel. Still looking for that Giratina artwork, though. I'd love to see that come into one of our packs here on the channel. I'd love to show that one to you guys. All right, guys. Well, like, subscribe, and comment for more Pokemon fun. See you in the next video.